guys, welcome back to another Living Gratefully Clean With Me video. In today's video, you're going to see me clean up 2 of our bedrooms where you'll hopefully get some cleaning inspiration. And you're also going to see how we restyled the bedrooms. One is now my husband's man room, also known as the parlor. And by using furniture and decorations we already had in the house, we transformed the other room from empty to something more functional. And at the end of the video, you'll see it is now more like a cute bedroom, just by using what we already had in the house. I'll pop on and mention just a few things to share some info. But this video is mainly going to be good cleaning music and inspiration for you. Here's the final man room. We bought a few things from Facebook Marketplace to supplement what we already had, and the American flag is from Hobby Lobby, the Virginia flag is from Amazon, and the black chair is from Wayfair. This empty light gray room is the one that's going to be our new cute bedroom. Our daughter moved out a few months ago into her own apartment, and we just hadn't decided what to do with the room yet. You'll see once we add some furniture, it looks a lot less depressing. So we had moved the bed in here when we restyled the parlor, and we had moved the table from the entryway into this room. If you missed that video where we updated our entryway, I'll have it linked below. But one night around 11, I had some random energy and asked Scott to help me move some things around and added a mirror. We added another dresser, lamps, and decorations from either other areas of the house or from storage into the room to see if it would look nice. Needless to say, I didn't film that since we were trying to get ready for bed when we did that, but the next day I couldn't wait to clean everything and finish it up. I think everything came together pretty nice and matched pretty well, considering it was all done at the last minute and using what we had.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon, beyond the horizon. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire.
Subscribing to our channel is absolutely free, doesn't cost a thing, and we post new videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed, we hope you'll consider joining the Living Gratefully family by hitting that subscribe button down below. Also, if you like the video, please give it a like, thumbs up. We appreciate the support.
So quietly next to me, a silent souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. I just wanna get you on my grid sometimes, on my grid sometimes. saying that I waste my time, that I waste my time. I don't wanna tell you, don't know if you care. Repeating my mind, rolling around, stuck in your bed. Burning temptation, I just cannot hide it. Late at night when I'm all alone, try not to think about it. Invade my thoughts with your honeycomb. Try not to think about it, but baby I do.
I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'll have a playlist of more of my cleaning videos on the screen here, so if you need more cleaning motivation, go ahead and click on the box to the left, and to subscribe to our channel, click on the circle to the right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.